guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up HetteshWorld, and we have special guests today, Cheryl
And Eric.
and they are our subscribers, and we are super excited to meet them. So I'm not going to ask Bob today because he never knows what we're doing. I'm going to ask Eric, what are we doing today, Eric?
Well, today we're touring the 421FK new model from Riverstone, and it is fantastic.
So stay tuned. Alright, so this is one that we didn't see at Hershey. It is the Riverstone front kitchen without the toy hauler in the back. So we're going to go ahead and film this one. And we're doing just a short video on it to show you guys. But it's very similar to like what we have. It has the bar here, but they have the stove in the middle and the sink and the slide. But it's very nice. It's very beautiful. It's got like a range hood above it with the max air vent. And then what we like, just like in ours, is you can sit here, you can work, you can watch TV. They've also got an office down there. You can replace that and have a sofa. They've got the nice big TV that fits, the fireplace. The couches do pull out, so they're just not super comfortable unless they've improved the mattress over the last couple years. Let's take you guys into the bathroom. So we got double sinks and skylight.
Elongated toilet.
Yeah. And then, as we said, the elongated toilet. Let it hold all your junk. They do have the max air fans, which are nice.
This is a lot nicer than Lana's.
Yeah, Riverstone does a really good job with its products and manufacturing and ideas.
It's just not one piece.
Oh, it's sides. Okay. We always try to look for one piece because we don't want to worry about any damages. So we have this here, and then I'm going to show you in the hallway real quick. They've got stairs on each door, like over there. And then this is a really nice deep coat closet. Oh, and more storage up here. So did I miss it? Let's go to this side. Yep. So this is the normal closet here, like we currently have in ours, and then your control panel. And then Bob, what is the new?
That's it.
The BM Pro?
BM Pro.
Okay. I don't know if they have it awake or not. So it's just another smart system that they've updated. We don't know a lot about this one, but I'll put some information in the thing about it on the BM Pro Connect.
Stay home,
Smart RV system.
Thank you.
Yep. Yep.
People are coming in.
Yep.
Stay home, stay on the porch, yeah.
So something that is different is the windows are shorter than like what we have, but they've given you additional storage up there. And then let's get into the bedroom before we lose access. So we do have a slide here in front. It's got a front slide.
Got a king
TV. I'd say it's got washer dryer. It's got a pretty good sized closet with a cabinet in it. It's got an RV king size bed, which is really nice. They did away with the fireplaces, and they have these little heaters that are here now.
Yeah, it's an option.
So it's pretty nice. So this is your Riverstone front kitchen without the toy hauler in the back. So we'll go ahead and I'll give you the numbers for it, and we'll see if we can find out pricing on this. This is sold at Lazy Days here. It is a 2024 Forest River Riverstone 421FK. So typically it's $208,000. They're getting a discount price of the show of $55,000 off, and the show price is $152,995.
I bet they would give it to you anytime.
Yeah, don't pay full price, never. Should at least be able to get 30% off at a minimum. Let's look at the outside here. So We'll look at the door when we come back around, but it's pretty nice. It's got double awnings. It's got pass-through storage. And this is nice. It's got that storage continuing from 2 different boxes. And the cap on this is super nice. It's got storage back here. And it is hard to see because we're at the show. It's closed, but the Riverstones always do a nice job with the, yeah. And then over here, you have your RV hose. We've got more storage, which I'm gonna drop this. Is another complete pass-through on storage. Once again, the pass-through on the other side. This should be your water bank. Oh, they do have it open. And I like that they've got the new filters in here, so that's something that's new. And then your hot water heater. And then there's some storage up there. To go around. I cannot fit through there. So they do have the Moride handle and the Moride steps here, excuse me. Which are awesome. So guys, we hope you enjoyed that quick tour. We just kind of wanted to show you the front kitchen.
Yeah, we didn't see that one at Hershey, and now that we're here in Tampa, we found it, so we recorded it.
And remember, if you guys ever have any questions about Riverstones or any RVs at all, just ask us. So like, subscribe, comment, smash up that notification bell, and remember, we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our incredible world.
Bye!